guys, I have a perfect piece of it. This is 1 pound of ribeye steak. So today it's raining outside. What my plan is to cook this ribeye steak in this Dutch oven. It's going to be very easy, simple recipe and full of flavor. So let's get straight into the video. First of all, take the ribeye steak, add some salt right on top, a little bit of black pepper. Just rub it gently on the both sides. So that's how we're gonna rub it. What this does, this actually helps meat to soak in the salt and the pepper flavor inside. So the next part, we will take our Dutch oven. We will take extra virgin olive oil and we will put at least 1 spoon at the bottom. We will place 3 cloves of garlic. We will take our ribeye steak, the 1 pounder ribeye steak, and we will place it right there. We will take a jalapeno and slice it from the middle and put it right there in the pan. Take at least 2 cups of water. So these are 2 cups of water. Friends, take your pot, the Dutch oven, and put it on high flame. Cover it up with the lid, and we will check back on this after 15 minutes. It's been 5 to 7 minutes. Let's just take a look what's going on the inside. So it's perfectly boiling, and we will put the lid back on and we will wait another 5 to 7 minutes. So it's been more than 15 minutes. Let's get into it. Alright, so the water is pretty much all gone. What we have to do, we have to flip our steak just like that. You guys see this golden part right up here? This means it's almost there. We will cover it with the lid one more time, and this time we are cooking it on a medium to slow flame for at least next 10-15 minutes. So overall, in 30 minutes you get the ribeye steak in Dutch oven, and it will be a completely roasted ribeye steak. Alright guys, so this is the moment of truth. Let's open this lid. Wow. Water is gone. Okay, as you guys can see, perfectly roasted ribeye steak. Completely ready. Wow. As you guys can see, the jello and the meat part, oh my god, wonderful. Perfectly medium well ribeye steak. It's very easy recipe. So here we will dress our steak with some parsley leaves right on top. And stay tuned, I'm gonna be dishing this steak out. Okay, this is the moment of truth. We are dishing out our ribeye steak. Perfectly cooked in a Dutch oven. Okay, so let's cut it out and take a look on it. I'll cut a small piece just to check it, how perfect it's done. In just 30 minutes, wonderfully done. Let me cut the center part just to show you guys. It's all perfectly done. I will cut it just like a cake slice. So this is a good bite. Alright guys, this is perfectly all done, deliciously done, and I would strongly suggest make this recipe in a Dutch oven. Take a ribeye, 1 pound or 2 pound. Follow the same recipe and you will be amazed how tasty it is. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Until then, take care of yourself and bye bye for now. Alright, so I just wanted to make this shot. This steak is so super soft and fully roasted that I had to add this clip in it. It's wonderfully done. Yum. Wow.